Hello there, welcome to another UK and Ireland weather forecast for the upcoming days across this weekend and into the early part of next week. Today's high temperatures on August the 6th were 24 degrees in the London area and in other southern locations such as Bournemouth, and 23 degrees quite widespread across southern and central England. Low temperatures this morning though fell all the way to 3 degrees at Sennybridge in Wales, with quite a few other locations in that region falling to 4 degrees and a few at 5 as well. Right now then, we've got a few little wind advisories on the northern part of Scotland and some sporadic heat advisories for various parts of southern England and towards the West Midlands and some eastern locations as well. Still in our store, commemorating the 40-degree day that we had on the 19th of July, still available on our merch store there. Well, looking ahead then towards Sunday, and you can see some rain pushing through Scotland, particularly overnight. Temperatures falling to around 9 or 10 degrees in more southern areas where the skies will remain clearer. Under the cloud, a little bit warmer, 11 or 12 being the low, and breezy further north as well. It's going to be a north-south split really on Sunday. A lot more cloud towards the north with a little bit of rainfall for the western coast of Scotland particularly. Should remain dry further east, and some temperatures climbing once again up to around 23 degrees in the eastern part of Scotland around Dundee and Perthshire. 21 in Edinburgh as well, and more cloud cover further south in the northern part of England, but 23 though in Yorkshire. Northern Ireland quite cloudy, but it's much clearer in the Republic, and in Wales and central and southern England a very nice day once again with temperatures building, a trend that you will be seeing quite a bit throughout this coming week. A maximum of 28 degrees expected in London, with 27 degrees in many parts of the southern counties of England. So very decent temperatures there. It'll be a little bit cooler along the Welsh coastline in the face of quite a bit of breeze there. Further north though, it will be cloudier as well with that breeze, and that breeze will certainly not be there further towards the east. Well then, let's take a look at Sunday evening. That cloud will gradually clear throughout the night, and then you've got this massive band of rain which is slowly drawing nearer to the northern tip of Scotland. It will reach the Shetland Islands before the end of the night, where it will fall to 13 degrees. Elsewhere, mainly clear skies, and this is what we're looking at on Tuesday. So you've still got that rain impacting the Western Isles and the Northern Isles of Scotland, where temperatures will struggle to get above 15 degrees, but further south partly cloudy skies, and it is going to get warmer again. Aberdeen at 24 degrees there. In the southern part of Scotland, pretty decent, partly cloudy, highs of 21. Across Ireland it's hit and miss as well with that cloud, although it'll be better for the south, 24 degrees the high there. In Wales, getting warmer, and once again in England as well with more widespread 28s and 29s on Tuesday. Further north as well, we're looking at around 24 to 26 degrees depending on where you are in northern England. So most of England, if not all of it there, looking pretty clear, although cloud will probably build up a little bit in the north and central parts and the eastern parts of England later on in the day, which might be invited by some viewers. The winds there will be a little bit breezy, particularly towards the southwest and the extreme southeastern part of England, and obviously much more prolific in the northwestern part of Scotland, where that rain will be occurring. Overnight into Wednesday morning, the same pattern is set to continue there, although it won't feel that cool underneath the clearer skies of England. Temperatures will remain fairly warm there, 14 degrees in the southeast. And looking into Wednesday, you can see how the heat wave is set to continue in southern and central parts of England, and that heat trickling up further north as well, 25 the high in Ireland as well as in Scotland, and we're looking at a few 30s starting to appear, I should say, in southern and southwestern parts of England. So temperatures continuing to build. We know we've heard a few things about some very high temperatures next week. We're not sure yet. We'll have to keep monitoring very closely, but it would appear that the tip is it might be next weekend that we'll be seeing the highest temperatures of August. That's all for now. We'll have another UK and Ireland weather forecast on Monday.